videos. So I'm going to be showing you how to design a pocket corsage. Well, let's get right into the video. So first you're going to need foam board. Now this was a big foam board. I just cut it out to the pieces that I need for my pocket corsage. This piece here, then have a smaller piece. This piece is going to go in front just like this. You're going to need glue gun, extra glue stick just in case, ribbon, we're going to be using blue ribbon, floral adhesive, and they can get at your floral shop. And you're going to need flowers, of course, scissors, and that's about it. So the measurements for this foam board, I will put it in the comments. And this piece too, so it's a trial run that I did yesterday, and it fits perfect into the pocket. So I just use this as my template. Start with the flowers and open it. So I'm just going to measure to see how long. So I just grabbed this bunch of flowers from my local grocery store. Usually go to my floral shop to purchase it, but I just wanted to do this quick video, so I decided just to grab a bunch just to show you how to do the pocket corsage. And the flowers that I need. We're gonna go with this amount of flowers. And we're gonna use our adhesive, our floral adhesive. Looks like this. Open it up. So be very careful. You may wanna wear gloves, and it's pretty strong. You may wanna wear a mask. I'm just putting 3 lines. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and put 4 lines. Just going to add the flowers on, just like this. This one will go in the middle. Gonna add this one here. And this one there. And this extra piece, I'm just gonna place it at the top. Add some glue at the sides. Be careful because it can be hot. And we're just gonna hook it in like this. Push down on it until it melts all together. So that's just gonna help the flowers stay in place. Have a little bit of glue at the side. And then now we're gonna grab our ribbon and we're going to wrap it around. Add a little bit of glue on there, this. Okay, so there you have it. So now we're going to try it on, put it inside of the jacket. You can also wrap this piece here with ribbon also. So if this was an actual order, I would have wrapped probably the whole thing, wrapped the whole piece with ribbon, and then go over it again with ribbon at the front. So we're gonna try it and see how it looks. Okay, so we're gonna test it out. There you have it. amazing. So there you have it, guys. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Click the notification bell so you know next time when we post a video. Take care and God bless.